If you're trying to manage diabetes or simply keep your blood sugar steady throughout the day, the foods you choose can make all the difference. And while many people focus on avoiding carbs or sugar, the real secret is adding the right vegetables, the ones that help lower inflammation, stabilize glucose, support your organs, and deliver powerful nutrients without spiking blood sugar. In today's video, we're exploring the top 10 best vegetables for diabetics, and trust me, some of these will surprise you. These vegetables don't just help balance blood sugar, they support your heart, your digestion, your energy, your liver, and your overall well-being. Stick around until the end, because the last few on this list are the ones most people overlook, even though they can dramatically improve your daily health. Number 1. Broccoli. Let's start with one of the most powerful vegetables for diabetics. Broccoli. This green super vegetable contains sulforaphane, a natural compound that helps improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and protect your blood vessels from damage caused by high glucose levels. Broccoli is also rich in fiber, which slows digestion and prevents sudden blood sugar spikes. The combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants makes broccoli one of the best foods for long-term metabolic health. It supports your immune system, your heart, and even your liver, organs heavily affected by blood sugar imbalances. Whether you steam it, roast it, or add it into soups and stir-fries, broccoli should be a regular part of your weekly meals, especially if you are trying to control diabetes naturally. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach is another diabetes-friendly vegetable that deserves a permanent place on your plate. What makes spinach so special is its extremely low carbohydrate content, combined with a high amount of magnesium, a mineral essential for insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Most people with diabetes are low in magnesium without even realizing it, and spinach is one of the easiest ways to increase your intake naturally. Its leafy greens also contain vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and plant antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, which is a major factor behind insulin resistance. Spinach blends easily into almost any recipe: salads, smoothies, omelets, soups, or sautéed with garlic as a simple side. With almost no calories and nearly zero effect on blood sugar, spinach is one of the easiest vegetables to add to your daily meals. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really helps this channel reach more people who need this information. Number 3. Cucumbers. Cucumbers may seem simple, but they are extremely effective for stabilizing blood sugar. Thanks to their very low carbohydrate count and high water content, cucumbers help prevent dehydration, something that can quickly cause blood sugar to rise. They contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds called cucurbitacins, which support pancreatic health and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Cucumbers also provide fiber, especially when eaten with the skin. This fiber slows down digestion, supports gut health, and prevents sugar from entering the bloodstream too quickly. By keeping meals light and hydrating the body, cucumbers help reduce glucose concentration and improve overall metabolic balance. You can slice them into salads, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them plain with olive oil, lemon, and herbs. They're refreshing, versatile, and a simple way to support stable blood sugar levels every single day. Number 4. Carrots. Carrots are a fantastic choice for diabetics, even though they are naturally sweet. Many people misunderstand carrots, but their glycemic index is low, meaning they raise blood sugar very slowly. This is because carrots contain soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like structure in the digestive tract and slows the absorption of glucose. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which supports eye health, a major concern for people with diabetes. Their antioxidants help reduce inflammation and protect the heart, while their fiber supports digestive health and satiety. Carrots can be eaten raw, roasted, steamed, or blended into soups. They're colorful, nutritious, and offer a gentle sweetness without negatively impacting your blood sugar. Number 5. Kale. Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables in the world, making it a metabolic powerhouse for people with diabetes. It is low in carbs, high in fiber, and packed with quercetin, kaempferol, and other antioxidants that fight inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. With high levels of vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium, kale supports blood pressure, heart health, and immune function. Kale's fiber also helps regulate digestion and keeps you full for longer, reducing the risk of overeating or snacking on high-carb foods. You can enjoy kale in salads, smoothies, soups, or baked into crispy chips. It's one of the vegetables that delivers major benefits for very few calories, making it ideal for anyone looking to manage diabetes naturally. Number 6. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are colorful, crunchy, and incredibly nutritious, and they're excellent for blood sugar control. Despite their natural sweetness, they are very low in carbohydrates and high in vitamin C, which plays a key role in reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. In fact, bell peppers contain more vitamin C per gram than oranges. Their antioxidants help protect eyesight, reduce oxidative stress, and support heart health, all areas frequently impacted by diabetes. Bell peppers are versatile and can be eaten raw, sautéed, roasted, or added to practically any dish. Their fiber content helps slow glucose absorption and keeps you feeling satisfied after meals. Number 7. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a favorite among diabetics for good reason. It is incredibly low in carbs and can replace many high-carb foods like rice, potatoes, or pasta. This makes it one of the best vegetables for preventing blood sugar spikes. Cauliflower contains glucosinolates, which help support liver detoxification and reduce overall inflammation in the body. It's also rich in B vitamins, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, all of which contribute to better metabolic health. Cauliflower promotes smooth digestion, stable energy levels, and improved weight control, major pillars of diabetes management. You can roast it, turn it into cauliflower rice, mash it, or add it to soups and stews. Its versatility and nutritional profile make it a staple for anyone managing diabetes. Number 8. Green beans. Green beans offer a wonderful combination of plant protein, fiber, and slow-digesting carbohydrates, exactly what you want if you're trying to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Their fiber helps slow glucose absorption, while their antioxidants protect blood vessels and reduce inflammation linked to insulin resistance. Green beans are also rich in silicon, a mineral that supports bone and connective tissue health, which is particularly beneficial for diabetics who are at higher risk of bone issues. Their potassium and magnesium content helps regulate blood pressure and support heart health. You can enjoy them steamed, sautéed, baked, or added to casseroles. Green beans are simple, delicious, and ideal for stabilizing energy and digestion. Number 9. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are incredibly low in calories, carbs, and sugars, making them a perfect choice for diabetics. They contain beta-glucans, a form of soluble fiber that enhances insulin sensitivity, improves gut health, and slows the absorption of sugar in the digestive tract. Mushrooms also offer antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support immune function. Their savory flavor makes them a great replacement for high-calorie or high-fat ingredients, helping improve both weight control and blood sugar stability. Rich in B vitamins, mushrooms help the body convert food into energy efficiently, something many diabetics struggle with. Add them to soups, stir-fries, salads, omelets, or roasted vegetable mixes. Mushrooms are one of the most underrated but highly effective vegetables for maintaining metabolic balance. Number 10. Asparagus. Asparagus is a nutrient-rich vegetable packed with fiber, antioxidants, and a unique mineral called chromium, which plays a major role in enhancing insulin sensitivity. This mineral helps your cells use insulin more effectively, which is crucial for keeping blood sugar levels stable. Asparagus is also rich in folate, vitamin K, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support heart health, digestive health, and cellular repair. It helps detoxify the body, supports kidney function, and keeps the digestive system running smoothly, all important for diabetics who want to maintain stable energy and reduce complications. You can grill it, roast it, steam it, or chop it into salads. It's flavorful, filling, and extremely supportive of healthy glucose control. Thank you for watching, my friend. These 10 vegetables are powerful tools for lowering blood sugar and improving overall health naturally. When you include them in your meals consistently, you support your heart, your digestion, your insulin sensitivity, and your long-term well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us reach more people who need this information. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.